Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Martha Mildenhall from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 curves. And then thicken them up slightly. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a small curve down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now on top of each eye, let's draw a curve across for the eyebrows. And then thicken them up slightly by bringing it up in the center and curving it out. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw an angle down and in on both sides. Then let's angle it down to the center for the chin. Now to continue drawing the rest of the head, I'm going to zoom in. Let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve for the ears. And then a curve inside at the top. Next on top, let's add the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a wavy line down and over to the ear on the left. And then a curve over to the left on top. Now from the bottom of this line, let's hop up and let's draw one more curve to close off this piece of hair. Now let's move back over to the top right and let's draw another curve down and bring it up. And a curve down underneath. And one more next to it down to the ear. Next, we're going to take a pause on the hair and we're going to draw the hat on top. Let's start with a large curve across for the brim of the hat. And then curve it back in underneath on both sides. Now top on top and let's draw 2 angles up and a curve across the top. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move back down underneath and let's draw the neck with 2 lines down and a V shape underneath. Next, let's hop underneath and let's start drawing the top of the dress. Underneath the neck, let's draw a square shape. And then let's add the sides of the bow. Let's draw a curve out and down. Next, let's hop in and let's draw another curve out, down, and back up. Then another curve down underneath on both sides and bring it back up to the center. And then at the bottom, let's draw a line up. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop back up next to the neck and let's draw a curve out on both sides for the collar and then bring it back down. Next, we're going to move out and draw another small line out for the shoulders. And then angle it down and in. And then a curve down on both sides for the waist. And close off the bottom with a V-shaped point. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move back up and let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start next to the ears and let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. Now that we've finished the hair, we can move down and add the sleeves. From the shoulders, let's draw a curve out, and then a wavy line underneath, like this. Now top in and let's draw another curve for the other side of the sleeves. And then connect it at the bottom. Now inside each of the sleeves, let's draw 2 curves up at the bottom. Now underneath each sleeve, let's draw 2 lines down, and then a curve underneath. And that's it for the sleeves, but before we draw the arms, let's add the skirt to the dress. Let's start next to the waist and let's draw 2 long curves all the way down. And then a wavy line across the bottom. Now top inside the skirt at the top and let's draw 2 curves down. And then another longer set, bringing it up at the ends. Now that we're done the dress, we can move back out and add the arms. Underneath the sleeves, let's draw 2 short lines down. And then angle them both back in. Lastly, let's move down to the bottom and let's add the feet. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center. Then let's angle it out and curve it down. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And that's it for Martha Mildenhall. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!